At the moment, no OS has been installed in our VirtualBox. To install an OS, we have to click New on our VirtualBox Manager. We then give our OS a name. Let's name it Ubuntu since it is the OS we are installing. Under this folder section, you can choose a different folder where you want your OS to be installed, but I prefer leaving the default selection. Under ISO image, we have to select the Ubuntu ISO image that we downloaded earlier. Therefore, click here to browse and find your Ubuntu ISO image. Remember we stored it on the desktop. Select it and click Open. After inputting this information, you will realize that the type, subtype, and version are automatically updated. After filling the name and operating system, we now fill the unattended install. You can either use the default information or change the username to your preferred name. Let's change it to Ubuntu. Let's change the password as well to 123456 for simplicity. Let's add 78 to make it an 8-digit password. We then move to the hardware section to set up our preferred hardware settings. The base memory should be as large as possible within the green section. Therefore, I will move it to the furthest right. Depending on the number of processors you have, you can select 2, 3, or even 8 CPUs. The minimum should be 2 CPUs to the OS to run smoothly. Since my computers has 16 CPUs, I will choose at least 7 or 8, which is within the green section. The last section is the hard disk section. The minimum size of the hard disk that you should allocate your OS is 25 GBs. If you have more space, you can increase that size to maybe 60 GBs like I have done. After that, click Finish to complete the setup and initiate Ubuntu installation.